Max Island Realty, and I'm here with my good friend Meredith Bannon. She does a lot of my real estate closings, and we're here to talk about aspects of closing a real estate transaction that are unique to South Carolina and to Hilton Head and Bluffton. So Meredith, what things come up in your real estate closings that people are surprised by?
Well, it depends on if you're from South Carolina or if you're moving here and you're lucky enough to be able to move down here. I have heard that we do things slightly different than people do up north. And so there are good things, there aren't bad things. They're just slightly different things. One big thing that people are surprised by is that you need an attorney in South Carolina to close on any land transaction. So that means a timeshare, a home purchase, a home sell, or a refinance home equity line of credit. You're going to need to get an attorney involved in that transaction. What's also slightly different is I know in some other states, such as Florida and I believe Ohio, they have closing companies, which are also known as title companies. Here in South Carolina, because we're an attorney state, all of that service is combined into your attorney. So when you're quoting fees or you are asking, what will you do for me as an attorney, you need to ask, what's your attorney fee? What are your title fees? Those are two things, and they're all combined in one here in South Carolina.
I had a client, I was really surprised, I had a client move here from somewhere else, and in their state, the seller provided the title search. Here, that's something that the purchaser's attorney takes care of, and the purchaser customarily pays for.
Yes, and one thing that is interesting is because we're in an attorney state, we get the title search and the attorneys review it as the purchaser's attorney. I then reach out to the seller's attorney, and it is upon them to resolve any issues with the title. So there's a lot more back and forth between the attorneys protecting your interests, and frankly, I believe it strengthens your deed and what you're actually purchasing in your land transaction to have multiple sets of eyes of an attorney to review it, and we are separately licensed through the state of South Carolina as title insurance producers. So I have separate regulations. I am overseen by large national title companies right now. I write my title insurance with Old Republic National Title and Chicago Title, which I believe is nationally Fidelity Title. So they're the two largest title companies. And how that helps us is it strengthens our title search, our title practice, and identifying errors in maybe previous title transactions to protect the client presently.
Meredith, thank you so much for helping us out this morning and providing us with such good information and advice. If you have any questions about purchasing a home here, please give Meredith a call and she'll be glad to help you.